It's a Mini-Torial Butterfly Locks edition. So the first thing you're going to do is take a section of the hair and part it in a semicircle. I like doing this parting method because it's very quick and easy. Next, take some yellow shine jam to get those flyaways and then begin braiding down the hair. Now the braid itself doesn't have to be nice and neat because the water wave hair will cover up the braid, so you can braid it to the end or not. I did because her hair is straight on the ends and I knew it began to unravel like that. Next, take your crochet needle through the base of the braid and pull the water wave hair through. I like to align one end of the water wave hair to the client's hair or get it to the length of which they would like their lock to be and then begin to wrap. So I wrap 3 times at the base and then I begin to do the thumb method going down. Now the thumb method is what gives the lock its butterfly effect, so if you really like that look, you would do it more frequently, and if not, you don't. I typically do it every third go round, so wrap, then the thumb. I used about a strand and a half of the water wave hair per lock, and for this entire look, I used about 4 packs total. I've tried different brands, they all look the same to me, so it's just a matter of preference. But this is the final lock look eventually. And now for a close-up, all I do for the thumb method is take the hair, split it so that half of it is behind my thumb, half in front. Then I go around taking the entire strand and putting it behind my thumb to hold the butterfly in place. Then I just wrap it around twice normally, and then the very third time I go around, I once again split it so half of it is behind my thumb, half of it is in front. Take it around again, put all of it behind my thumb, and then slide my thumb out and just keep wrapping down. It's very easy. Once I get to the ends of the hair, I just wrap down until I no longer see the client's hair or until I get to the length of which they would like the lock to be. And then I just flip it back up like that and just wrap the hair back around until there's no more hair. I don't use any glue or anything to hold it in place because the hair will typically stick to itself, so you don't really need to. But that is butterfly locks. And here is the final look. This is my 3rd time attempting this hairstyle. I think I did really, really good. She loves it, I loved it, and I can't wait to try it again. So that's it for this mini tutorial.